How to upgrade phone with Cricket Wireless. When upgrading your phone with Cricket Wireless, you can receive a slight discount on a new phone, but this often comes with a $25 upgrade fee. While Cricket offers reduced prices compared to full retail, the discounts may not be sustainable for existing customers. One way to avoid upgrade fees is by purchasing an unlocked phone from retailers like Amazon or eBay and simply swapping your existing SIM card into the new device. This method helps you sidestep additional upgrade charges and allows you to find a better price on the phone itself. Another option for potential saving is porting in a number using a dummy number purchased online, which may qualify you for promotional pricing without leaving Cricket. If you prefer upgrading online, the process is convenient and involves ordering the phone and swapping your SIM card when it arrives. However, upgrading in a store can result in additional activation fees, and availability may vary between online and physical stores. Before upgrading, it's a good idea to research Cricket's current deal and compare them with offerings from the other carriers to ensure you are getting the best price. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.